हे एवरीवन, आज हम BLLB 2014 के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वॉन द भारत रत्न अवार्ड इन 2014 अलॉन्ग विद सचिन तेंदुलकर? इसका आंसर होगा सी, प्रोफेसर CNR राव। Question 2. Which one of the following does not constitute the Electoral College electing the President of India? A. Elected members of the Legislative Council. B. Elected members of the Legislative Assembly of each state. C. Elected members of the Lok Sabha. D. Elected members of the Rajya Sabha. इसमें जो ऑप्शन B, C एंड D है, जो कि इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ राज्यसभा, इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ द लोकसभा एंड इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली ऑफ ईच स्टेट हैं, दे कंस्टिट्यूट द इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज इलेक्टिंग द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। सो इसका आंसर होगा A, इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल। क्वेश्चन 3, इन अ स्कूल ऑफ 550 स्टूडेंट्स, the ratio of boys and girls is 6:5. How many more girls are to be admitted to make the ratio equal? B. 50. Question 4. The Government of India Act 1935 envisaged the introduction of A. Diarchical form of government. B. Federal form of government. C. Republican form of government. D. Unitary form of government. इसका आंसर होगा A. Diarchical form of government. Question 5. Which of the following are the circumstances under which an elected member of parliament may be disqualified on the ground of defection? ये क्वेश्चन कैंसिल हो चुका था बिकॉज इधर पे क्वेश्चन लिखा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द सर्कमस्टेंसेस, जबकि क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर नॉट द सर्कमस्टेंसेस, बिकॉज जो ऑप्शन A, B and D हैं, these are the circumstances under which a member of parliament may be disqualified, जबकि ऑप्शन C जो है it is not a circumstance under it. Question 6. Who is the president of World Bank? A. Jim Yong Kim थे तब। अभी कौन है ये आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताइए। Question 7. Golden eagle is the national bird of A. Sweden, B. Egypt, C. Morocco, D. Sri Lanka. B. Egypt. 8. Naira is the currency of C. Nigeria. Question 9. Khmer is the official language of South Korea, B. Senegal, C. Thailand, D. Cambodia. आंसर होगा D. Cambodia. Question 10. Who is the governor of RBI? उस टाइम पे गवर्नर थे B. रघुराम राजन. And who is the current governor of RBI? ये भी आप कमेंट्स में लिखिए. Question 11. My Own Boss Will was authored by C. Justice M. Hidayatullah. Question 12. We the People was written by B. Nani Palkhiwala. Question 13. Who was the first Russian woman to win Olympic figure skating gold in Sochi Winter Olympic Games in 2014? आंसर होगा B. एडेलिना सोटनिकोवा। आप इसके करंट चेक कर सकते हैं। Question 14. Which fever is known as breakbone fever? C. Dengue. ये एडीज मॉस्किटो से फैलता है एंड आपने इसके बारे में पढ़ा होगा। Question 15. Sleeplessness is a disease known as B. Insomnia. Question 16. Kisan Divas Farmers Day is observed on A. December 23rd. Question 17. What does the term white paper mean? White paper means government paper for printing. Question 18. The oldest large-scale industry of India is C. Cotton and textile. Question 19. The holography is a technique of A. Taking photos, B. Recording and reproduction of 3D images, C. Tracing stars, D. None of the above. इसका होगा B. Recording and reproduction of 3D images. Question 20th. The longest cell in the human body is A. Liver cell, B. Kidney cell, C. Nerve cell, D. Muscle cell. Answer होगा C. Nerve cell. Question 21. Which of the following is known as wisdom teeth? A. First molar, B. Third molar, C. Incisor, D. premolar. B होगा third molar. Question number 22. Who was the Governor General of India who proposed the change of capital from Calcutta to Delhi? Answer होगा C. Lord Hardinge. Question number 23. Who is known as Prince Khurram in the medieval history of India? A. Shah Jahan, B. Jahangir, C. Akbar, D. Babur. A. शाहजहां. शाहजहां का पूरा नाम था शहाबुद्दीन मोहम्मद खुर्राम. Question 24. The organ which destroys worn out RBC in the body is A. spleen, B. pancreas, C. liver, D. bone marrow. A. spleen. Question 25. A man's wage is reduced by 50%. The reduced wage was then increased by 50%. His loss in percentage is A. 25%. Question 26. X was born on March 6, 1993. The same year Independence Day was celebrated on Friday. Find out the birthday of X. इसका आंसर होगा A. Thursday. अगर आपको शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स चाहिए to solve these type of questions, you can comment in the comment section. Question 27. Pramesh is heavier than Jairam but lighter than Gulab. Anand is heavier than Gulab. Mohan is lighter than Jairam. Who among them is the heaviest? B. Anand. Question 28. Introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, "His brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is the woman related to this man?" C. Sister. ये बहुत ही simple question है. Question 29. Which of the following kings was known as the Napoleon of India? B. Samudragupta. Question 30. Who is the ex-officio chairman of the Planning Commission of India? C. Prime Minister of India. Question 31. In a class of 35 children, Amy's rank is 6th from the top. Annie is 7th rank below Amy. What is Annie's rank from the bottom? D. 23. Question 32. Which company that was started in 1900 is named after a South African antelope? B. Reebok. Question 33. The largest inland saline lake in India is A. Disambar. Question 34. In binary number system, what do 111 represent? The answer is B. 7. Question 35. The Citizens' Day falls on B. 19th November. 19th November को हर साल वर्ल्ड सिटीजन्स डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. Question 36. A person who looks on the bright side of things is known as D. Optimist. Question 37. In a certain code, 130584 is written as 485031. How is 27096 written in that code? ये पहला कोड जो है 130584 इसका बिल्कुल रिवर्सल है 485031. तो वैसे ही हम इस कोड को भी रिवर्स करेंगे एंड द आंसर विल बी 69072A. 38. Which of the following was or is not a space station program? The answer is B. Soyuz. Question 39. Which of the following is an open source computer operating system? The answer is C. Linux. Question 40. The person who promoted the establishment of the International Committee of the Red Cross was B. Henry Dunant. Question 41. The present UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon is from, जो ये बन की मून थे ये साउथ कोरिया से थे. एंड हु इज द प्रेजेंट यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल, ये भी आप कमेंट्स में बताइए. क्वेश्चन 42. हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द यूएन जनरल असेंबली? जो फर्स्ट वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूएन जनरल असेंबली थी ये एक इंडियन थी. इनका नाम है मिसेस विजय लक्ष्मी पंडित. 43. When did International Criminal Court came into existence? D. 2002. Question 44. Menam Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following state? Assam, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Menam है सिक्किम में. Question 45. Who among the following is known as father of ecology in India? The answer is C. Mr. Ramdev Mishra. Question 46. The 17th SAARC summit was held in November 2011 at, ये मालदीव्स में हुआ था तो आंसर होगा D. Adu City, Maldives. Question 47. The Audacity of Hope is a book written by B. Barack Obama. ये इनकी सेकेंड बुक थी. Question 48. The number of high courts in India is, इस टाइम पे 24 थे and right now there are 25. Question 49. When the offices of both the President and Vice President of India are vacant, then their functions will be discharged by C. Chief Justice of India. 50. How many fundamental rights have been guaranteed under the Constitution of India? B. 6. 51. The term golden handshake is associated with, it's associated with C. Voluntary retirement. It's golden handshake scheme. 52. Smart money is a term used for B. Credit cards. 53. Diamonds are weighed in C. Carats. 54. The Supreme Court judge whose recommendations are under consideration of Cabinet Subcommittee in JK, it's Honorable Krishna Iyer. 55. Who among the following has not remained the Chief Justice of J&K High Court? The answer is Justice V.K. Gupta. 56. The first Muslim ruler of Kashmir was B. Shamsuddin Shahmir. 57. The word Trojan horse in computer language refers to A. A malicious malware. 58. India is written as 914491. Then Delhi will be written as, I आता है 9th नंबर पे, N होगा 14th, D होगा 4th, I होगा 9th and A होगा 1st. वैसे ही दिल्ली का देखेंगे तो D होता है 4, E होता है 5, L होगा 12, H होगा 8 and I होगा 9. तो आंसर इज B. 451289. 59. The directive principles of state policy provided in the Indian Constitution are, the directive principles of state policy जिनको हम DPSPs बोलते हैं, they are non-justiciable. आंसर है B. non-justiciable. 60. Organization for Prohibition of Chemical Weapons was awarded Nobel Peace Prize for 2013. It was, ये किस नंबर की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी to win it? It was the 25th organization to win this. अगर आप और क्वेश्चंस करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो.